Well, hello everyone. Welcome to another YouTube video, kind of going through our Rugged Maniac training. I decided to combine 2 weeks into one because I just couldn't keep up with the editing process and still going on with my daily life. So, plus my workload has doubled. In fact, it's tripled since the last video I made. So that also got in the way of training and uploading these videos for you guys. So we're combining 2 weeks in one. We are now currently 2 weeks out, or actually a week and a half now, because this is Thursday that I'm filming this. Um, we are going to be totally fine. I have every confidence that we've trained enough that we are going to be totally fine. I think that the running in between each obstacle is going to be a problem, but it's okay. It's not like it's a race where we're wanting to finish first. That's not our goal. Our goal is to just challenge ourselves. And so I think we're going to be totally fine. I think we're going to be great. One thing that I wanted to mention is that we are noticing very interesting differences in our bodies. So for me in particular, I've noticed my hair is actually getting thicker. My lymph is flowing better. Um, I've noticed because I've been doing a lot of more upper body stuff, I feel like my rib cage is a little bit wider, like my lats are wider, and my waistline has just completely gone down 2 inches because I'm normally a 28 waist, now I'm a 26, which is completely mind blowing because I haven't been that small since I was a teenager. That and just our measurements are a little bit different, but we don't necessarily weigh any different. So that's the cool thing about this whole process, and what I try to work with my clients on is, are your measurements different, but your weight is the same, then you should be very happy because what you're doing is you're actually replacing any fat with muscle, and we are definitely very muscular. So I hope you enjoy these 2 weeks. We pretty much did the same type of training both weeks, which is why you're not going to see a whole lot of footage. Again, I forget and I get into the workout and I'm not able to film. Also, in our space, there's not really a place for me to set up the camera. So I also don't have a place to do that. And so filming becomes difficult. But all of these things are pretty much, we've been repeating previous workouts. We've been adding in a little bit more cardio. And then the food, we're going to have a lot more food for you in this video as well. So enjoy, and I'll see you next week.